Hello everyone, this is Rakhi teacher welcoming you all to the new academic year 2020 and 21 through the new virtual world of St. Paul's High School. Let me begin by saying that I believe you all are safe and well protected from the recent threat around us. We all are very well aware about the fact that due to the pandemic of COVID-19, a large section of our country has been instructed to remain indoors, which indeed includes all educational institutions too. Although the schools have been closed temporarily, it is a little uncertain about when we will be back in our regular classrooms. But even under such circumstances, the teaching and learning process is still possible through technology. Students can download the Diksha app to find the suitable learning material. Apart from this, St. Paul's High School has also initiated the online teaching process with an aim to attend the requirements of our students. Educational videos made by our teachers will be uploaded on regular basis. Assignments, notes, revision and study link will be provided along with the videos. Students must maintain the assignments on sheets and revise them on regular basis for the assessment in future. We request our students do not go outdoors to buy any kind of stationery for these assignments. Please make use of old books, sheets and other stationeries available at home. Students may have doubts or queries which they can mail only on Fridays. Now we understand it may not be easy for many of our students in the beginning, but gradually you will adapt to this pattern with some smart effort. Like, try to study in a silent environment where you can concentrate without any distractions. Try using earphones. Fix a schedule to study and strictly follow it. Most importantly, discipline and self-motivation is a must to achieve expected results. Dear students, keep in mind that this online class is new for both our students as well as our teachers. Our teachers are taking online class for the first time. That may create an unnatural teaching environment for them, which might affect their performance sometimes. All the teachers are making an all-out effort with all the limited resources available to them. Please do not ridicule or mock at them. We need to appreciate their effort and respect our teachers and the videos made by them. Our aim must be to acquire the content knowledge from the videos made by our teacher. Also, share it with your friend who are in need and not able to access to such educational videos. As a well-known say goes, knowledge shared is knowledge gained. Let us all be kind and helpful during this time of crisis. To handle this situation efficiently, it is very important to be healthy, be positive minded, stay safe, and have faith. To conclude with, I would like to say that it is going to be a joint effort of our students, parents, and teachers to put their best foot forward and collectively combat with the outcome of the time. May God bless us all and keep everyone safe. We will together overcome this situation and meet in our regular classrooms very soon. Till then, stay connected with us online. Thank you.